Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. Today I'm going to show you my top 10 crochet pouches, ranked from the least popular to the most loved one. Each of them has a full tutorial on my channel, so if you find one you like, you can easily make it yourself. And make sure to stay till the end. Let's go! Let's start with the first one. The little chicken pouch. It's small and perfect for keeping your earphones or other tiny things. This one is great for beginners because it's really simple. There is no magic ring and the only part you need to sew is the beak. It might be the least popular pouch on my list, but I still think it's adorable. The link of the tutorial is here and you can find it in the description too. Next up is the cheeseburger drawstring pouch. This one is perfect for anyone who loves food. It actually makes such a fun little gift. It's also beginner friendly and you don't need to do any sewing. Just use a needle to hide the yarn tails. Simple, cute, and totally delicious looking. You can see the link in here and in the description. And here's the big mouth frog pouch. It has this big funny mouth, which is actually the opening of the pouch. It's perfect for beginners too. No sewing, no magic ring, and super easy to make. Here's a comment from one of you that explains it perfectly. I absolutely love that. It's simple, beginner friendly, and just so cute. You can see the link in here or in the description. Next is the magic mesh bag. It looks like a mini bag charm or keychain at first, but then it magically turns into a tiny bag. It's beginner friendly, super fun to make, and also makes a great gift. There's no magic ring here either, and it's actually really useful. You can see the link in here and in the description. Next up is a cat wallet. It's super cute and perfect for keeping small items. It's beginner friendly, so it's great if you're just starting out. Simple, adorable, and totally perfect. You can see the link in here or in the description. And here's another frog pouch. This one has arms and legs, and the mouth is still the opening of the pouch. It's beginner friendly, easy to make, and just so playful and cute. You can see the link in here and in the description. Next one is the Weber Bears pouch. It's super simple to make, no sewing needed for the arms, legs, or ears. And it's perfect for beginners. Trust me, it's so simple. You can see the link in here or in the description. And this one is a little bird pouch. It's super simple, perfect to use as a bag charm, no sewing, no magic ring, and beginner friendly. Such an easy and adorable project. You can see the link in here or in the description. Next one is a really special and cute chicken drawstring pouch. It's actually the second most popular pouch on my channel. It makes such a fun gift and it's just so charming. I used magic ring for this project, but you can also use the 2 chains method if you prefer. Honestly, it's impossible not to love this one. You can see the link in here and in the description. And finally, here's the most popular pouch on my channel. The orange drawstring pouch. It's beginner friendly and super easy to make, with no magic ring needed. Everyone absolutely loves it. People keep asking me where they can get it or how to make it. You can see the link in here or in the description, and don't forget to ask me your questions. And that's it, all 10 of my crochet pouches. Which one was your favorite? Let me know it in the comments. See you guys!